Hey guys, how we doing? We are going to demonstrate all my inserts. Now, I have no idea what these inserts are. I have one box that says TCMT, but that's in my own handwriting, and that is the triangular shapes that we're used to seeing. And I have the diamond shape, which is a TCMT 070204 US 735 DCMT 21.51. That's a GBJ Precision Cutting Tools. It's the only insert I've ever received that actually has markings on the packaging. So what can I say? I'm cheap. I'm just buying the cheapest thing I can find. Okay, let me give you just a look at what they look like. What we're going to be using. Let's pull the high-speed steel out. No, let's leave the high-speed steel in. Okay. So, why is that so tight? No idea. Okay, so we have the diamond shape. I must confess, I've just used this one to get my material ready to prep it. Now these two, when I first started out using inserts, which would have been the first month or so of having a lathe, these were my two inserts. One of these was particularly well, did a good job on aluminum, and the other one was designated more for steel. I have no idea which was which. Okay, but we're going to find out. So these are TCMTs, I think. Where this is diamond shape is TCMT. Oh, everything says TCMT. TCMT. DCMT. So these diamonds are DCMT. So that's easy. D for diamond. And then here's the blue nano diamond, which was took extra long to get here because it came from really far away. So let's give these four inserts a run on 12L14. Now I received a bunch of this 12L14, and the guy that gave it to me, I said, oh yeah, I love 12L14. I says, it machines like butter, you know. I says, yeah, but it can't be hardened. And he says, au contraire, it can be hardened. And I guess he talked like he knew what he was talking about, and I listened as if I understood him. But he said something about carbonizing. So possibly there's a process where you can carbonize the metal, and then therefore I'm assuming be able to harden that portion of the metal. You could harden it only as deep as the carbonization occurred. So that's, like I said, I pretended I knew what he was talking about. He sounded like he knew what he was talking about. So let's go with what I started with, okay? I started with these two inserts, and I believe this is the one that I designated for steel. So let me get this up in the lathe. I've set all the tool heights and they are all set either right on, but if I had to put money on it, I would say I set them all slightly under center. I'm talking about, you know, a thousandth. Okay, let me figure out how I did this. I'm going to turn the camera off so I can get this thing mounted where you can see.
So there's 10. I'll stop this halfway down, we'll compare finishes. Oil. It's a good finish. Not quite as nice as the last triangular insert we did. And that's 20,000, so that's cut. And I'm going to use this insert to try to clean this up down here a little bit. Actually, I'll use my last insert to do that. So that was 20. So let's try 25,000, and we'll call this one the Blue Nano. Not the best finish, but a good finish. We're going to speed this up and see if the finishes change. There's 25 thousandths. Like I said, when I first started this, 5 thousandths was a deep cut for me. Okay, didn't like that. Let me reset this. Turn it a little bit. I got a spacer I've been using here. Didn't like 25 thousandths. And I'm mystified. Don't you think my circuit breaker should have popped in that situation? I do. Okay, I got this 3/8 tool in here, keeping this off of the 3/16, keeping this off of the chuck face. Let's see how true that's running now. That's not true. Well, you know, I should be able to get that perfectly true with this piece of steel. Bear with me here. I know there's tools to do that with. Okay, so that Blue Nano did not like 25 thousandths on auto feed. Everything else feels pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and straighten that up a little bit. The tool. Let's see if I can catch that steel flying out there. Okay, I'm going to go with the other D CNC to clean this up. I know. Okay, I'm going to find the 0 here. I'm just going to clean this up and resume the test in just a moment. Don't be discouraged. Just want to clean this up. Okay, here's a 10 thousandths. Okay, we'll do another 10 thousandths to clean this up. Well, who knows what I just put in there? Is that 20 thousandths? We'll do 20 thousandths next. This must be 10. I'm kind of lost track. If you're following along, you probably know where it is. We're certainly getting into some deeper cuts here. trying to make it clean that shoulder up a little bit. That's pretty good. So let's try 25 thousandths here. Or 20. And there's 20. So the Blue Nano didn't like 25. The Plain Jane did alright. 20. I'm gonna put the Blue Nano back on here. Let's put that Blue Nano back on here. Give it a try. Give it a chance. There might have been contributing factors that caused that mishap. Okay, we're gonna do about 900 RPMs there. Okay, I'm not sure what this says 7,000. Let's see what. Might have been some backlash involved there. Feeling for any undue vibration. So that's 7. I'm going to zero it out and do 15. And this is going to be a true 15. Right there. Zero it up.